Tired of amazing AI tools slapping ugly, distracting watermarks all over your hard work? You spend hours creating the perfect video, only to have it stamped with a logo that screams amateur. What if you could access the power of AI to create professional-grade content, 100% free and completely watermark-free? Well, you can. In this video, I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom. We're breaking down the top 5 powerful free AI tools you can start using today to make no-watermark videos. This isn't just about avoiding a logo. It's about unlocking your creative freedom. It's about producing clean, professional-looking videos without any restrictions holding you back. Whether you're a faceless YouTube creator trying to scale your channel, an Instagram editor cranking out daily reels, or a content marketer building a brand, this list is for you. I've spent countless hours testing these platforms to find the ones that deliver maximum value without costing you a dime. And I have to tell you, tool number 3 and tool number 5 are absolute game changers that will completely revolutionize how you think about video creation. We're going to cover everything you need to build a complete video production workflow. We'll look at incredible tools for script-to-video automation, powerful and intuitive video editing, mind-blowing AI visuals, and unbelievably realistic AI voiceovers. Whether you're making faceless YouTube videos that tell a story, viral shorts designed to grab attention in seconds, or cinematic B-rolls that add a touch of class to your projects, these tools have you covered. Let's dive right in. Our first tool on the list is InVideo AI. This platform is a powerhouse of script-to-video automation. Think about the most time-consuming part of creating faceless content: finding relevant stock footage, timing it to your script, and adding captions. InVideo automates almost all of it. You literally feed it a text script, and its AI analyzes the context, finds high-quality, relevant stock clips, and assembles a video for you in minutes. The free plan is incredibly generous for a tool this advanced. While it's a trial, it allows you to export your first 3 video projects completely free and, most importantly, without any watermarks. This gives you more than enough room to test its full capabilities and create your first few pieces of content. Its best use case is definitely for faceless content channels like history, finance, or educational tutorials. Imagine you have a script about the Roman Empire. Instead of spending hours searching for clips of Roman ruins and legionnaires, you paste your script into InVideo. You select a voice and style, and within 2 minutes you have a fully edited video with dynamic footage, background music, and a voiceover, all synced and ready to go. The transformation from a simple block of text to a finished, engaging video is something you have to see to believe. It's a massive shortcut for anyone focused on producing content at scale. Next up, at number 2, is a tool you might know, but you're probably not using to its full potential: CapCut Web. Many people only know CapCut as a mobile app, but its web and desktop versions are where the real magic happens for serious creators. Why is it so special? Because it is 100% free, with no hidden costs, and it exports your videos in high definition with absolutely no watermark. It's a full-fledged video editor that packs a surprising number of advanced AI features. This is your go-to tool for creating shorts, reels, and any kind of fast-paced, trendy video content. It excels at quick edits. The AI-powered auto-captioning is best in class. With one click, it generates stylish, animated captions that are perfectly synced to your audio, just like you see in viral videos all over TikTok and Instagram. Additionally, it features a vast library of free templates, effects, and transitions, making it easy to create visually stunning edits with no prior experience. Let's say you want to make a 30-second reel. You can upload your clips, use the auto cut feature to sync them to a trending audio track, apply an eye-catching template, generate animated captions, and export a polished, watermark-free video in under 5 minutes. It's the ultimate combination of speed, power, and cost-effectiveness. All right, tool number 3 is the one I told you would be a game changer. This is Runway ML. Runway isn't just an editor, it's an AI creative suite that feels like it's from the future. It's designed for generating and manipulating video in ways that were previously only possible for professional visual effects artists. Its suite of AI magic tools is incredible. We're talking about features like one-click video background removal, in-painting to remove unwanted objects from a scene, and motion tracking to make text or graphics follow a moving object. The free plan offers a set amount of credits, which is enough to experiment with its most powerful features and export several short, high-impact clips without a watermark. The best use case for Runway is creating unique B-roll, artistic visuals, and special effects that make your videos stand out. Imagine you have a standard video clip of a person walking down a street. With Runway, you can instantly remove the entire background, placing them on a tropical beach or even the surface of the moon. Or you could remove a distracting car from the background with a simple brushstroke. This level of creative control allows you to transform generic footage into something truly cinematic and unique, giving your content a production value that's impossible to achieve with standard editors alone. Coming in at number 4 is a tool that solves one of the biggest problems for video creators: finding unique visuals. This is Leonardo.ai. While not a video editor, it's an essential part of the free AI tools ecosystem. Leonardo.ai is an AI image generator that creates breathtaking, high-quality images from simple text prompts. The free plan is generous, giving daily credits that reset every day. Every image you generate is yours to use commercially, watermark-free. It's perfect for custom YouTube thumbnails, unique backgrounds, or visual assets you can't find in stock libraries. For example, instead of a generic stock image for a video on the future of finance, you could prompt a glowing holographic bull charging through a digital city of data, cinematic lighting. The AI generates a completely original, eye-catching image that stops the scroll and builds a professional brand identity, without spending $1 on designers or subscriptions. Last but not least, 11 Labs, the fifth and final tool, is the second game changer. In the event that your narrative comes off as robotic, stunning graphics are of little use. The most realistic and human-sounding artificial intelligence voiceovers available on the market are provided by 11 Labs. Along with voice cloning and design tools, the free tier provides users with 10,000 characters on a monthly basis, which is equivalent to around 8-10 minutes of narration. The best part is that the audio does not contain any watermarks, backdrop tags, or AI-generated stamps. Rather, it boasts a clean and professional narration that is suitable for anonymous YouTube accounts. You are also able to create various voices for different projects, such as a deep and serious voice for documentaries and a warm and peppy voice for tutorials or listicles. Because of your channel's capacity to match the tone of your material, it is extremely difficult to differentiate it from a channel that uses human voice actors. In addition to the 5 tools, here are some additional suggestions for you to consider. The real value is in integrating them into a workflow that feels completely seamless. A system that is utilized by creators who work full-time is as follows. We will begin with Leonardo. After using AI for the thumbnails and backdrops, 11 Labs should be used for the narration. Bring both of them into CapCut Web so that you may edit them and add effects, captions, and stock material. By processing clips in Runway ML and then re-importing them into CapCut, you may get more complex effects, such as the removal of backgrounds. You will be able to make movies of consistent high quality and without watermarks with the assistance of this workflow, which is a content creation machine. This is the key to growth on any platform. Now you have the best 5 free artificial intelligence tools for videos that do not contain a watermark. The following applications were covered: InVideo for the production of scripts to videos, CapCut Web for editing, Runway ML for visual effects, Leonardo.ai for creating unique visuals, and 11 Labs for producing realistic voiceovers. I am now interested in hearing from you. Of all the tools, which one are you most eager to test out first? Do you know of any other fantastic free tools that I have overlooked? Leave a comment below and let me know. I would be extremely grateful if you would click the like button and subscribe to my channel for other AI-powered video hacks if you found this video to be helpful in releasing your creative potential. Your presence is really appreciated, and I hope to see you in the next one.